Assessing your taxes can feel intimidating, but this presentation will introduce to you the Tax Self-Assessment app to make the process easier. The online tool is geared specifically towards childcare providers and can be easily completed with confidence and in a short amount of time. The information contained here has been prepared by Civitas Strategies and is not intended to constitute legal, tax, or financial advice. The Civitas Strategies team has used reasonable efforts in collecting, preparing, and providing this information, but does not guarantee its accuracy, completeness, adequacy, or currency. The publication and distribution of this information are not intended to create, and receipt does not constitute, an attorney-client or any other advisory relationship. Reproduction of this information and recording of this content, including the use of AI, are expressly prohibited. Only non-commercial uses of this work are permitted. Assessing your taxes can feel intimidating, but there are tools available to make the process easier. The Tax Self-Assessment app is geared specifically towards childcare businesses, is something that can be completed with confidence and in a short amount of time. In this presentation, you will learn about the app, what you need to use it, and how to navigate the app successfully. The Tax Self-Assessment app was developed to allow childcare business owners to evaluate their own federal tax returns for consistency with best practices for their program type. The app provides childcare businesses with a personalized review of their potential tax risks and opportunities summarized in a downloadable report that is easy for both you and your tax preparer to understand. This resource will help walk you through the process of using the Tax Self-Assessment app to simplify your tax preparation this coming tax season. Here's what you will need to get started. Schedule C of your Form 1040 from your latest completed tax return, and 15 minutes. You may also want to have the following forms handy. Form 4562 Depreciation, if applicable. Form 8829, if you are a sole proprietorship/single member LLC for business use of the home. Other expenses and revenue attachment, if applicable. What is a 1040 Schedule C? The image shown here on the right is what the Form 1040 Schedule C looks like. Once you have your forms together, you're ready to begin. The app will ask you to confirm your business type before taking you through a series of questions based on your tax form. Let's take a look at each step more closely. The first step is to access the app. The app can be accessed by entering the link seen on your screen into your laptop, desktop, phone, or tablet browser search bar. Once you're there, it will ask you to accept the user agreement and confirm your type of business before taking you through a series of questions based on your tax form. From here, the rest of the process can be completed in 4 simple steps. Please note that this online tool does not retain or share any of the data you enter. All information provided is used for evaluation purposes only and deleted upon completion of the process. Once you've begun, you will proceed through the site's prompts by answering a series of yes or no questions. Answers to each question are dependent on if you have information entered in the relevant line. These questions will be about income, commonly missed expenses, home deductions, and depreciation and amortization. Step 3. Tax Review Letter Information. Enter your information in the provided submission box. That's it, you're done. Be sure to download your report before closing the page, as your information won't be saved once the page is closed. As a reminder, this online tool does not retain or share any of your data or results. All information provided is used for evaluation purposes only and is deleted upon completion of the process. And be sure to visit the Civitas Strategies YouTube channel for more valuable resources to support you and your business.